You are watching updates brought to you by the School Times. Let's look at some current developments. The Rajasthan government has decided on Wednesday to promote students of classes 1 to 5 without taking an exam and the basis of internal assessment system due to the view of rising coronavirus cases in the country. IIT Madras and Verizon India has provided a merit-cum-means scholarship for economically disadvantaged students to pursue their BSc in programming and data science. The final keys of the Graduate Aptitude Test for Engineering GATE 2021 answer key has released. The final result of the GATE 2021 exam is expected to be released on 22nd March. The partnership by Maricom with the MKBRF Academy will help in the training and providing educational and financial assistance to 6 promising girl boxers. Banari Aman University of Technology has been awarded to IET's International Accreditation. The IET's accreditation is the highest benchmark awarded to a high-quality undergraduate engineering program system. The placement ceremony organized by Vallabh Vidyanagar has witnessed a huge demand of teachers in this COVID-19 pandemic, as 20 English medium schools across Gujarat have signed MOUs with this institution. Palghar authorities have closed all the education institutions after 30 students and a teacher has tested COVID positive in Maharashtra. Eklavya Model Residential School hold up the potential of boosting education and skilling in rural and urban dominated regions in India. This year's budgetary allocation in education has been lowest in past 3 years. But according to the new education policy, there are several changes in school education and higher education. But the implementation of the new education policy has remained unclear due to the budgetary constraints. During the time of the lockdown, the internet consumption in India has rose up 13%, breaking all the records. The future rate of internet penetration will rise up to 55% by the year of 2025. The digitization of the education system is the biggest concern of our government. All regulatory bodies, including All India Association of Technical Education, University Grants Commission, and National Council for Teachers Education will be merged as HECI. The HECI will work as an umbrella figure for the higher education. Azim Premji University, located in Karnataka, has released a series named Issues in Education. The aim of this series is to highlight fundamental issues that play a significant role. The outbreak of the coronavirus has disrupted the traditional mode of educational system, forcing students to shift to a virtual model of schooling. According to a survey done by Crunchbase, there are 598 companies in all over India that has combinedly raised 3.1 billion in all rounds. Educational loan rates are at par with home loan rates. Data shows that the students in India obtaining an education loan 2016-17 to 3.9. India has been providing scholarship for students of Asian countries at a major event attended by diplomats from the Philippines, Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia. Vietnam has already signed agreements with the universities in Haryana and Uttar Pradesh for its students. It was all from us today. Stay tuned to the School Times web channel. Keep watching.